What's up, everybody? It's your girls, Keymira and
Neek.
And we finna do Ratchet Girl Anthem Remake. Hope y'all like it. Because we is doing the most.
Oh my God, who let her come out the house?
She is doing the most. Doing the most. OMG, what do she got on? Her lace front is all wrong. I'm about to take this picture. She gonna put me all on Twitter? I ain't got time for her. I'm too grown. See you wretch. Girl, bye. Not with that shirt on. Oh, I just wanna punch you in your face. I can't stand you. Oh, you too fake. Let me tell you what I got, my Mr.
Girl, what?
A baby boy. And it came with a sister girl, yes. I'm pregnant. But I still hit the club. I'm in the middle of the floor. No shoes. What's up? Had to get cute today. Apple bottom jeans, fur boots today. Had to keep them looking good because my baby daddy just came home. He'll shoot today. 2 days. Got the tracks yesterday. Me. Did you get the glue today?
You know it.
Gonna be fit up. Move trap. It's the 15th. We got our food stamps. Got a brand new piercing. Brand new tax. We 99 cents for this weed plus tax. Bow. Know where hell this came along. Thinking that you better than I am, well then you think you're wrong. You like my number, boy, bye. I know you are so. Let me see. OMG, what do she have on? Her lace front is all wrong. Take this picture. Got it. She going on Facebook and Twitter. Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
See you wretch.
Girl, bye. Not with them shoes on. You wretched. Oh, I can't stand her. Oh, she too fake. Emmanuel, but my girlfriends call me Kitty. Free game, then we party. Yes, I am the baddest, but he can't have his boo-boo. Sorry, cause 2 changes my future baby daddy. Barbie. Jordan has matched my press on. Pow, team dark skin. You don't like them red bones. New app. Hit me up on Facebook and follow me on Twitter. Team Phillip phone. Team Chris Brown. If he don't shut her up, then it's team shut her down. I'm with team Team with your man. If he got a lot of money, then it's team he paying. He might as well spend it on me. I mean, you ain't cute. I am doing the most.
I'm glad you know.
What did she have on? She ratchet. Her lace front is all wrong. She ratchet. I'm about to take this picture because she ratchet. Gotta. I'm gonna put her all on Twitter.
You know you ratchet.
Got time for you. We too grown.
See you ratchet.
Girl, bye. Not with them shoes on. Ratchet. Oh, I just want to punch her. Oh, she ratchet. I can't stand her. Oh, she too fake. She ratchet. Leopard skin print. Who we go and get leopard skin print tatted on them? You ain't cute. That's why you got leopard print. You look like a girl. Bye.